Hi there, students. An ultimatum, a countable noun. Two ultimatums or ultimata is possible as well. I think ultimatums is probably more common, but the A ending is also possible. Okay, an ultimatum. Do this or else. That's an ultimatum. It's a final demand, a final offer that implies the threat of serious consequences if somebody doesn't do what they're told to do. Yeah, so it's a threat where somebody's told that if they don't do something, then something is unpleasant will happen. If you do that again, I'm going to sack you. You're going to lose your job. He gave her an ultimatum. He said that either she could leave her boyfriend or he was going to divorce her. Either you withdraw your troops from this area, or it will be war. Yeah, this is an ultimatum. Yeah, either withdraw your troops by Friday, or the result will be war. Okay, so it's a final statement of terms, and if you reject these terms, there will be a breakdown in relations. There will be retaliation. So she gave him an ultimatum. She said, if you go out drinking and come home drunk once more, I'm leaving. Yeah, so it's a final condition, a final demand, and if you reject this, you don't do it, then this will end negotiations and things will move on to force or other direct action. If you do not pay this bill within 15 days, I will take legal action against you. This is an ultimatum. It's a warning to somebody that unless they do something or act in a particular way, then strong action will be taken against them. The doctor gave me an ultimatum. He said, either you stop smoking or you die. Yeah, so one or the other. Yeah, an ultimatum, a final communication, setting out essential conditions. Yeah, during the negotiation of something, and the ultimatum is the last demand. It's the final offer, the final demand, and if you reject this offer, then there will be a breakdown in relations. I will take unilateral action, normally the use of force or going to court or something like that. It's a final try or attempt for negotiation, yeah, before things break down completely. Okay, so an ultimatum, a final demand, a final offer. Yes, to deliver an ultimatum, to issue an ultimatum. Notice very often both of those words, to deliver or to give an ultimatum. Either you withdraw your troops from Poland or a state of war will exist. Okay, so they issued an ultimatum about this. It's the final demand. You must do this. Formality and ultimatum. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it informally. 6.5. Yes, 6.5. You could just about use it informally. Better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, this comes from Latin ultimus, yeah, from ultimatus. So ultimatus, late or last or final. Ultimus, the last, the final, the utmost, the very last one. So an ultimatum is the last offer, a demand which whose fulfillment is requested within a specific period of time, and it's backed up by some sort of threat if you do not comply with it. So normally an ultimatum, it's the final one after a series of requests again and again, and this is the final one, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ultimatum.